The National Union of Disabled Persons of Uganda has called on Ugandans to participate in a charity marathon aimed at restoring mobility for amputees. The appeal was made by NUDIPU CEO Esther Chozira during the official launch of the marathon at the organization's headquarters in Kampala.
The NUDIPU Advocacy Marathon. Thank you.
Under the theme promoting disability-inclusive healthcare services, the marathon aims to raise 800 million shillings to procure prosthetic limbs for persons who have lost their limbs due to road accidents, diabetes, and other illnesses.
That we are organizing as a corporate social responsibility that is calling upon the public and well-wishers to support persons with limb loss, whom we call amputees, due to different reasons, either due to accident, due to illnesses, and due to other causes. So we are here for a cause to invite everyone to procure a kit of 30,000, which we are going to use the proceeds to buy 200 artificial limbs for this category of persons with disabilities.
Charlotte Kangume, an amputee who shared her experience on how the use of an artificial limb has transformed her life, restored her confidence, independence, and ability to move freely.
Oh, I got a prosthetic limb. I was on crutches, but crutches have a way they affect your nerves under the armpits, and most times people don't feel like they're fully back together. Until you get your prosthetic, then you feel like you're now human, you can walk again, you can stand again, and you can move on with your life. You can even go out like any other person. So yes, it really changes a very big thing in your life and helps you rebuild your life step by step. So please come, let's stand together in this cause.
Development partners, civil society organizations, and corporate bodies were also urged to join the cause and contribute towards making the marathon a success.
Persons with disabilities face several barriers when seeking access to health care. And in the example, I'm happy that Sharon has made my remarks much more easier. So you can see if at all she didn't have the limb, she wouldn't be participating fully in this gathering and giving this personal testimony. So we need this kind of support from all of us to ensure these barriers are addressed. And they can only be addressed if we start small, both as government, private sector, civil society, and the general citizenry.
Globally, it is estimated that 65 million people live with limb amputations, with 1.5 million new cases each year. In Uganda, studies show that over 80% of amputations involve the lower limbs, and nearly a third result from road accidents and diabetes.